this is my miniature artwork, guys, that I'm going to be putting up around the Malvern Hills. They are there now, so if you're watching this video, they should still be there. Go and take a look. See what you think. Let me know in the comments below. Please subscribe, that would be awesome. And yes, see if you can find any of these. Hi guys, how you doing? Today we are on the way to the Malvern Hills. Those little tiny miniatures that I've done, the figures are like 1 centimetre tall. And what I'm going to do is go out, I'm going to put them out at the Malverns because it's a beautiful evening. I'm going to go up for a sunset walk as well, and hopefully tomorrow when there's people going up, they will see some of my miniature art, which will just be awesome, and hopefully it'll just make somebody smile, it'll brighten up their day. Okay, so I parked up at British Camp car park. This is the path up from British Camp, from the car park there, just going up, and this is an awesome spot to put the first one. The breakfast on the beach one is going to go here. As you can see, I'm just making sure it's pushed down. I only use copy decks so it doesn't leave any mark on the tree or anything if it's taken away. So this is cool. You've got Broaddown, Shady's Bank Common, Hangman's Hill, Pink Cottage, Giant's Cave, Pink Cottage, Butcher's Camp, Earthworks, which are up that way, and that's where we're going to go in. I'm going to put one of the little models on here. Okay, we're just now going to go up on top and hopefully catch the sunset, which will be awesome. Okay, we're leaving Kim there. No, we're not leaving her for long. She's sending a message to somebody, and we're going to walk up here. It's a steep, windy path, but hopefully when we get to the top it should be worth it. Fingers crossed. The views are absolutely amazing. Chloe's shouting us, we're on the way, we're coming. Look at the view up here. Down here, up there, up to the top of the fort, and then down the other side. So just going down these steps is where I put my last one. For some reason it didn't record, I don't know why, but yeah, it is up there. So there are 3 of these little miniatures up on the Malverns somewhere. Hopefully it's not blown away because it was so windy last night. So yeah, hopefully if you're about visiting the Malvern Hills and you fancy a walk up there and you find one, hopefully it will just brighten your day a little bit. And yeah, thanks for going along, and thanks for finding it. If you're new, guys, please subscribe. That would be absolutely amazing to have you on Team Tiny Trekker.